Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Ike Masala. So for today's video, we're going to feature Herlene Nicole Budol or Herlene Hipon, mas kilala sa tawag na yun. And ayan, nag-host siya sa Wawa Win. Ayan, as you can see, she has 39 upload video on her YouTube channel with 105,000 subscriber, with a total video views of 13,251,461. Country is Philippines, channel type is people, and user created April 6, 2019. So that would be more than 1 year. So total grade is letter B negative. Social blade rank is 266,348. Subscriber rank is 236, and video views rank is 343,093. And then ang kanyang country rank is 2031. People's rank is 35,744. Ayun, nabother ako dun sa nag-pop up. So yung kanyang subscriber for the last 30 days is 7,600. So mataas siya ng 2.7%. So siguro nung karaan ito is mga 10,000. And then estimated monthly earning is $217 to $3,500 US dollars. So that is monthly, guys. And then yung kanyang video views for the last 30 days is 868,000 something. Mataas din ito ng 3.3%. And total subscriber weekly, so yung graph niya is naandyan. And then estimated yearly earning is 2,600 US dollars to 41,700 US dollars. Total video views, so nakikita yung mga graph, guys. So every time na may graph, pindutin nyo lang yan, and then magpa-pop up dyan or mag-show up kung ilan ang video views. So makikita natin sa baba yan. So yung nandito is graph lang. So i-check natin yung kanyang estimated monthly. So meron siyang 217 US dollars times 48. 48 is the exchange rate here in Philippines right now. So she has 10,416. Ayan, sa peso. Ayan. So yung isa naman yung is estimated is 3,500 US dollars times 48. So meron siyang 168,000 US dollars. So malaking bagay na ito. So since busy naman siya sa kanyang career sa TV, so ayun, yung kanyang video views is mataas din and working good. And yung kanyang estimated yearly earning is 2,600 US dollars times 48. So she has 124,800 pesos. And then yung kanyang 41,000 US dollars, 41,700 US dollars for times 48. So 2,01,600. Ang laki na din ito. So hindi na rin nakakapagtaka yung kanyang channel is medyo lumalaki na rin, and lalo pa siyang nakikilala kasi nga nag-host siya doon sa Wawa Win, and more on funny moment siya, and nakakatawa rin naman siya kasi may mga joke siya na talaga namang habay. So that is Herlene Hipon, guys, ang kanyang YouTube estimated revenue using Social Blade. So posible yang kitain at hindi man kitain. So depende rin yan sa mga viewers. So kung majority ng viewers na sa Pilipinas, so maliit lang yung kanyang estimated revenue. Pero kung galing yan sa mga USA, sa mga kada na mataas ang CPM na gaya yung sinasabi ko lagi, matataas ang kanyang makukuha na revenue. So na punta tayo sa kanyang summary or statistics. So makikita nyo dyan yung kanyang estimated earnings, video views, subscriber na nadagdag, and uploaded video, mga date of uploaded video on her YouTube channel. So kung makikita nyo dyan sa kanyang December 27, 2020, so that is last year. So meron siyang nag-gain or nakakuha siya ng 1,000 subscribers. And then yung kanyang video views is 21,018. And then ang estimated niya is $5 to $84 US dollars. So hindi na rin masama. So kung titingnan nyo, maliliit lang yung mga estimated revenue since madalang naman siya mag-upload and meron lang siyang 39 upload video. So kung siguro araw-arawin niyang mag-upload ng mga video sa kanyang YouTube channel, hindi lang yan yung kikitain niya. And malaki rin naman yan pag pinagsama ng isang buwan. So kung makikita nyo dyan, meron siyang daily, weekly average, and last 30 days. So ang kanyang daily average is 254 subscriber with 28,942 video views and estimated revenue of $7 to $116. So imagine na lang natin na doon sa 116 kalahati. So meron siyang $50 or $60 sa kanyang earning. Ayan, kung i-divide natin sa 2 kasi since estimated lang yan at hindi naman pare-parehas yung mga nanonood sa kanyang mga videos. So meron siyang weekly average. So meron siyang 1,777 subscriber gain with 202,594 video views with an estimated revenue of $51 to $810 US dollars. So meron siyang last 30 days na merong 7,600 subscriber gain with total video views of 868,250 and ang kanyang estimated is 217 to 3,500. So doon na tayo mag-focus sa 3,500. I-divide na lang natin siya sa 2. Or let's say kunin na natin yung 70% noong 3,500 US dollars. So malaki na rin yan, parang around na mga less than 100,000 or let's say na mga 700 US dollars. 700,000 pesos. So yun siguro yung mga possible na kikitain niya sa kanyang YouTube channel. And busy naman kasi siya and iba rin yung mga career niya or yung mga trabaho niya. Maraming ganap siya sa buhay. So kung makikita niyo yung kanyang monthly gain video views, so for Herlene Hipon or Herlene Nicole Budol. I don't know bakit may Budol. So ayan yung kanyang December 2020, meron siyang 504,659 video views and November is 504,000. Ayan. So i-click nyo lang yung mga dot dyan guys. Ang pinakamataas niyang nakuha na video views is June 2020 na merong 5,878,264 video views. And of course, doon din yung point na mataas din yung kanyang subscriber gain. So meron siyang 7,800 subscriber na nagain yung last December 2020. Ayan. Then 4,800 nung November. October is 7,500 subscribers. Then September is 10,300. So malalaki na yung mga video views o yung mga video gain subscribers niya. And that's for Herlene Nicole Budol, yung mga gain niya na mga subscribers. So hindi man pare-parehas yung mga subscriber na nakukuha niya or nagigain niya sa bawat upload niya ng mga video. So big shoutout kay Herlene Nicole Budol and I hope she watched this video. And alam ko namang may gumawa na nito ng kanyang estimated revenue using Social Blade. Ayan, may nagpa-pop up. I'm sorry for that guys. Hindi ko siya na-off yung notification ko sa YouTube. So that's for today's video guys. Ang YouTube estimated revenue ni Herlene Nicole Budol. So iba-iba yung kanyang estimated kasi may mga nanonood na nasa Pilipinas, may nanonood sa ibang bansa. So kapag USA, Canada, Australia, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, those are the countries with high CPM na kapag sila yan lahat yung nanonood, baka mas mataas pa dyan yung kanyang kikitain. So since mix yung nanonood, may Pilipino, may mga nasa USA, may mga nasa Canada, so may tendency na malaki or may tendency na maliit yung estimated. Ngayon, kasi iba-iba ang CPM ng bawat country. So that's for today's video, guys, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ikim Rosales. Keep safe everyone, and bye bye. Ayan, shout out kay Herlene Hipon.